Hello guys, it's Mokubaye. In this video, I'm going to show you guys two ways in which you can upload video on your Facebook page. Let's get into the video. So the first way is that you simply click on what? Photos and video. After which, you simply say what's on your mind. Let me just say Samsung because we actually want to upload the Samsung Galaxy A15. So after that, you can simply drop the video here, or you simply choose the video file. Let's say this is a video here. Open it. So once you're done with that, you simply click on what? Video options. So if it's the first time you get this test here. So after that, you simply need to insert your video title. After that, you insert the tag or collaborators if you have one. So let me just insert tags. Samsung. After that, you can add the video caption. You can either add automatic caption or you upload it from your machine. So I'll just click on what? Automatic. I'll scroll down, and for thumbnails, click on it. So guys, you can actually choose a thumbnail, as you can see, or you can actually choose thumbnail from your machine. You can upload it like this, or you can actually choose it from your video. Let's say like this. Okay, we want by this one. After that, you click on what? Save. So guys, that is actually the first way in which you can upload video on your Facebook page. So we'll close that. So guys, the second way is that we are going to click on what? Mega Business Switch. It's going to take us to another interface where we simply click on what? Create post. After that, you simply need to add the video. So we are going to click on what? Add video. From your laptop, choose a video. So guys, you can decide to add the language of the video by clicking here. You insert the language, let's say English. Okay, after that, you scroll down, you add the description of the video. That's the video is talking about Xiaomi Note 13 Pro. So after adding it, you simply add your words, your description if you have. Xiaomi Note. After that, you click on what? Hashtag. You can add as many hashtags as possible. Let's say Xiaomi Note 13. So you simply add, click on it, click, you click on what? Add. After that, you scroll down, and for your thumbnail, you can actually choose from your video suggestion, as you can see, or you can choose from your video frame. Click on it, click on choose frame. As you can see, you can choose it. Okay, once you choose it, you simply click on save thumbnail, or you can upload it directly from your desktop if you already designed one. So you choose upload image, come here, choose the image in which you want to upload. Let's say this one. Click on open. So guys, you can also add the video location. let's say Cameroon. Yep. Add a reaction emoji, happy. Yep. You can also add, if you want, people should contact you directly from your Facebook Messenger, so you can enable it. After that, you scroll down, you click on what? Show more. You scroll down and you simply enable tag and collaboration. So guys, if you have keywords, you simply need to insert it here. So keywords. So guys, and if you have a collaborator, you simply need to go and copy the collaborator link like this. Let's say we want to use Mokbetech. Insert it here as a collaborator, click on it, or you can simply search for the collaborator name here, and after clicking on it, you can invite the person the link. Click on what? Copy, invite link. So guys, once you're done with that, you simply click on what? Next. For caption settings, so you leave it on automatic. It depends on you. You can leave it in that manner. For video optimization settings, you can leave it on automatic. For advanced, the same thing. After that, you click on what's done. So guys, once you're done all of that, you click on what? Next. You scroll down, scroll down. So guys, allow people to post option. It depends on you, since you already enabled the collaboration option, so you can't change it. So all the other ones, I'm going to leave them in the default manner. So after that, scroll up, scroll back up. After that, you click on what? Schedule. So guys, you can actually schedule this post when you want it should be live on Facebook. So the date and the time. After that, you scroll down, you click on what? Schedule. Or if you want the post to be posted now, you click on share now. Or if you want it to be saved on your drive, you click on it. Simply click on what? Save. So I actually want this post to be posted now, so I'm going to click on what? Share. So guys, that is actually the way you upload video on your Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.